you often find yourself feeling tired, sluggish, or drained of energy? If so, it might be time to say goodbye to fatigue and hello to an iron-rich diet. In today's video, we're diving into top 16 iron-rich foods that will help you boost your energy levels and keep fatigue at bay. Stay tuned until the end to learn how these foods can transform your daily routine and support your overall health. Let's get started. Why iron is important. Iron is a vital nutrient that plays a key role in producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough iron, your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to less oxygen transport and leaving you feeling tired and weak. The National Institutes of Health recommends a daily iron intake of 8 milligrams for men. If you fall short, you may experience deficiency symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Iron is particularly important for men's health as it supports muscle metabolism, maintains healthy connective tissues, and promotes physical performance. Adequate iron levels can enhance energy levels, improve cognitive function, and support a robust immune system. Let's dive into our list of top 16 iron-rich foods that will help you maintain optimal energy levels. Top 1. Clams. Clams are one of the richest sources of iron, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Just 100 grams of clams can provide a whopping 28 milligrams of iron, which is 155% of the daily value. This makes clams one of the best options for boosting your iron levels quickly. They are also a good source of vitamin B12, which helps in the formation of red blood cells and neurological function. Clams are versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways, such as steamed, in soups, chowders, or as part of seafood pasta dishes. In addition to iron and B12, clams are rich in other essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, and protein, which is vital for muscle maintenance and repair. Their high nutritional value and delicious taste make them a must-try for anyone looking to increase their iron intake efficiently. Top 2. Fortified breakfast cereals. Want an easy way to hit your iron goals for the day? Fortified breakfast cereals can be a convenient and delicious way to boost your iron intake. Many cereals are fortified with up to 18 milligrams of iron per serving, which actually meets 100% of the daily value for iron. That's an entire day's worth of iron in just one quick and easy meal. Just remember to check the label for added sugars and choose a cereal with minimal processed ingredients to ensure you're getting the healthiest option possible. Opting for whole grain cereals with added nuts, seeds, or dried fruits can provide even more nutritional benefits, such as fiber, healthy fats, and additional vitamins and minerals. Start your day off strong by enjoying a bowl of iron-fortified breakfast cereal and give your body the energy it needs to tackle whatever comes your way. With so many delicious options available, there's sure to be a cereal that fits both your taste buds and your nutritional needs. Top 3. Edamame. Edamame, or young soybeans, are not only a great source of plant-based protein, but also rich in iron. 1 cup of cooked edamame contains about 9.1 milligrams of iron, which is 51% of the daily value. Edamame is also high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritious addition to your meals. You can enjoy them steamed, in salads, or as a snack. The fiber content in edamame helps maintain a healthy digestive system, while its high protein content supports muscle health. Additionally, edamame contains antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, and its vitamin K content supports bone health. Top 4. Lentils. These tiny legumes not only boast a high iron content, but also pack a punch when it comes to protein and fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides around 6.6 milligrams of iron, which is an impressive 37% of the daily value for iron. That's more than a third of your daily requirement in just 1 serving. You can enjoy them in soups, salads, or as a side dish, making them a versatile and delicious addition to your diet. Plus, their high protein and fiber content can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management and overall health. So don't hesitate to make lentils a regular part of your meal rotation and start reaping the iron-rich benefits. Top 5. Chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas are another iron-rich legume you should consider adding to your diet. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas contains around 6.6 milligrams of iron, which represents a solid 37% of the daily value for iron. That's over a quarter of your daily requirement in a single versatile serving. They're a fantastic addition to your meals, too. Think hummus, falafel, or as a delicious and hearty ingredient in your salads and soups. But the benefits don't stop there. Chickpeas are also an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them an ideal choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to incorporate more nutrient-dense foods into their diet. Plus, they're known to support heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. So don't wait any longer. Give chickpeas a try and enjoy the iron-rich goodness they have to offer. Top 6. Spinach. Spinach is a green leafy powerhouse packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach contains over 6 milligrams of iron, which accounts for an impressive 33% of the daily value for iron. That's a third of your daily requirement in just 1 serving. Plus, it's a versatile ingredient you can add to salads, smoothies, or even pasta dishes, making it an easy and delicious way to boost your iron intake. As a bonus, spinach is also rich in other essential nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate, all of which contribute to your overall health and well-being. Go ahead and load up on this nutrient-dense green. Your body will surely thank you for the iron and energy boost. Top 7. Mussels. For seafood fans, mussels are not only a delicacy but also an iron powerhouse. A 3-ounce serving of cooked mussels offers around 5.7 milligrams of iron, which is about 32% of the daily value. Mussels are also a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients, making them a healthy and delicious choice. They can be enjoyed steamed, in seafood stews, or added to pasta dishes. Mussels are not only nutritious but also sustainable, as they are farmed in environmentally friendly ways. Top 8. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron. 1 cup of cooked kidney beans contains 3.9 milligrams of iron, which is about 22% of the daily value for iron. They are high in protein and fiber, supporting digestive health and keeping you full for longer. Kidney beans are ideal for chili, salads, and soups, making them a versatile ingredient for many dishes. Top 9. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a byproduct of sugarcane processing and is incredibly rich in iron. Just 1 tablespoon contains around 3.5 milligrams of iron, which is about 20% of the daily value. This sweetener also provides other essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It can be used in baking, as a sweetener in oatmeal, or even stirred into smoothies for an iron boost. Blackstrap molasses is also known for its robust flavor and can be a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Additionally, the high mineral content supports bone health, and its antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the body. Top 10. Tofu. Tofu is not only a great source of plant-based protein, but also rich in iron. Just half a cup of firm tofu contains around 3.4 milligrams of iron, which translates to roughly 19% of the daily value for iron. That's almost 1/5 of your daily requirement in a small yet mighty serving. Try adding it to your stir-fries, blending it into your smoothies, or even grilling it for an iron-fortified treat. As a bonus, tofu is also a fantastic source of calcium, magnesium, and other essential nutrients that support your overall health. So whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or just looking to add more plant-based options to your diet, be sure to give tofu a try and enjoy the iron-boosting benefits it has to offer. Top 11. Dark chocolate. Good news for the chocoholics, dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat, but also a surprisingly good source of iron. 1 ounce of dark chocolate with 70 to 85% cacao contains around 3.4 milligrams of iron, which contributes to about 19% of the daily value for iron. That's a significant portion of your daily requirement in just 1 scrumptious serving. Just remember, moderation is key to enjoying this sweet indulgence. While dark chocolate does provide some health benefits, it's still high in calories and fat, so it's best to enjoy it in small amounts. Pair it with fruits like strawberries or raspberries for an even more nutrient-dense and satisfying dessert. With dark chocolate, you can indulge your sweet tooth while also giving your body a much-appreciated iron boost. Truly a win-win situation. Top 12. Oysters. Oysters are another seafood powerhouse packed with iron. Just 6 medium-sized oysters can provide you with around 3.3 milligrams of iron, which is approximately 18% of the daily value for iron. That's a significant chunk of your daily iron requirement in a single delicious serving. So the next time you're at a seafood restaurant, don't hesitate to order a plate of these iron-rich mollusks. Not only will you be indulging in a tasty treat, but you'll also be giving your body a much-needed boost of this essential nutrient. Plus, oysters are also a great source of zinc, vitamin B12, and other important minerals, making them a fantastic addition to a well-rounded diet. Cheers to enjoying good food while staying healthy and energized. Top 13. Quinoa. Often referred to as a superfood, quinoa is another iron-rich food that deserves a spot in your diet. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains around 2.8 milligrams of iron, accounting for about 16% of the daily value for iron. That's a significant portion of your daily requirement in just one tasty serving. As a complete protein, quinoa is perfect for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone seeking a high-quality plant-based protein source. It provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to function properly, making it a valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're looking for an extra boost of energy. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Quinoa is also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as magnesium and manganese, which contribute to overall health and well-being. It's gluten-free too, so those with gluten sensitivities can enjoy it without worry. Try adding quinoa to salads, using it as a base for grain bowls, or even making a delicious breakfast porridge to start your day off right. With all these benefits, it's no wonder quinoa has earned its superfood status. Top 14. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds aren't just for Halloween. These tasty seeds are a fantastic source of iron, with 1 ounce providing about 2.5 milligrams, which is around 14% of the daily value for iron. This makes them an impressive and nutritious choice to help you meet your daily iron requirements. They make a perfect snack or salad topping for an energy-boosting crunch. Plus, they're also packed with other essential nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that contribute to overall well-being. Go ahead and give these little nutrient powerhouses a try. Your body will thank you for it. Top 15. Sardines. Sardines, especially when canned in oil, are a convenient and nutritious source of iron. A 3-ounce serving provides approximately 2.5 milligrams of iron, which is about 14% of the daily value. They are also high in calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support overall health. Sardines can be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed on their own as a snack. They are particularly beneficial for bone health due to their high calcium content. Sardines are also rich in protein, supporting muscle growth and repair, and they contain essential nutrients that support cardiovascular health. Top 16. Red meat. For the meat lovers out there, red meat such as beef or lamb is an excellent source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body. A 3-ounce serving of cooked beef can provide you with 2.5 milligrams of iron, which accounts for approximately 14% of the daily value for iron. That's a solid contribution to your daily iron requirements in a single satisfying serving. Remember, moderation is key, so try to balance your meat intake with plant-based iron sources as well. Consuming a variety of iron-rich foods from both animal and plant sources will ensure you're getting a well-rounded mix of essential nutrients while also supporting a sustainable and balanced diet. So go ahead and enjoy that juicy steak or tender lamb chop, but don't forget to pair it with some delicious veggies, legumes, or whole grains to create a meal that's both nutritious and delicious. Conclusion. Now that you're armed with this powerful knowledge, it's time to put it into action and see the incredible difference it can make in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Remember, our channel is affiliated with selling high-quality, trustworthy men's health supplements made in the USA from 100% natural ingredients. Check the link in our profile and the pinned comment for more information. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for advice from your physician or other healthcare professional. Thank you for watching and stay healthy, stay energized, and keep shining. See you in the next video.